Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. My first day in the park. Hello, my name is Sarah. I want to tell you about my first day at the park. It was a special day for me. I live in a small city. I like to stay at home, but one day I decided to go outside. I woke up early, had breakfast, and put on my shoes. I took a bag with water and a sandwich. Then, I walked to the park. It is not far from my house. The weather was sunny, and it felt good to be outside. When I reached the park, I saw many people. Some were walking, and some were sitting on the grass. There were children playing with a ball. I smiled because they looked so happy. I found a bench and sat down. I opened my sandwich and started eating. After a while, a man came to sit beside me. He looked at me and said, "Hello, how are you?" I was surprised because I did not know him. I said, "I'm good, thank you." He smiled and asked, "Do you come to the park often?" I thought for a moment and replied, "No, this is my first time." He said, "It's a nice place. You should come more." We talked for a few minutes. He told me he liked to walk in the park every day. I felt happy because I had a small conversation with someone in English. It made me feel confident. Later, I walked around the park. I saw beautiful flowers and trees. There was a small pond with ducks swimming. I took some pictures and sent them to my friends. Before leaving, I saw the man again. He waved at me and said, "See you next time." I smiled and waved back. I felt good because I had spoken English, and I enjoyed my time at the park. That day, I learned that speaking English is not so hard. You just need to try. I will go to the park again, and next time, I will talk to more people. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.